Hello everyone. So in our previous lecture we saw how we can perform stubbing using these two approaches. So friends, in this lecture we'll see. So friends, if I uncomment this, so here you can see that when we called calculate total cost, and here we provided the list of book IDs. So we provided two book IDs. So this for loop ran two times, and this book repository find book by book ID got called twice. So therefore here we told Mockito to stub find book by book ID method twice, one with value 1234 and other with value 1235. So friends, here if you see that then return can take a single value and it can also take multiple values simultaneously. So what does this then return do? Here let's say if we call the calculate total cost by providing book IDs, let's say 1234 and let's say 1234. So we are simply calculating the cost of the same book twice by passing in the same book ID. So friends, here instead of writing something like this, return book 1, and I simply comment this part for time being. And if I run the test case, the expected value should be 1000 because we are simply returning book 1 when we are passing 1234. So the total cost would be 500 plus 500 will give 1000. So if I run the test case now, so here you can see test case got executed successfully. But here you can also see that we need to stub the same method with same value two times. So Mockito provides us a way to simply use one stubbing. Let's say if I comment this part. So here in then return, what we can do is we can tell Mockito something like this, that when book repository that find book by book ID is called with 1234, then return book 1, and if it is again called with 1234, then return book 1. And also friends, here you can configure multiple values. If you know that you are calling the same method multiple times from your class under test, then you can simply provide one line of statement. So if I run the test case now, so here you can see test case got executed successfully. And also friend, Mockito provides yet another way to do the same stuff, which makes it more readable too. So what we can do is, here we are telling that when this method is called with argument 1234, then return book 1. And then what we can do is, sometimes we do it something like this. So here it gives some more readability, that as soon as we see what this test method is doing, we can come to know that our class under test is calling the book repositories find book by book ID method. So for the first time we are returning book 1, and for the second time we are returning book 1. So friends, if I run the test case now, so friends, here you can see test case got executed successfully. So friends, in this lecture we saw that how we can stub the consecutive calls to the same method with same arguments. I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.